Hey everybody, it's Adam.
And Petri.
And we're here because we wanted to do something for the talent show.
What? You didn't tell me you wanted to do something like that.
I'm sorry, thought you might really like the idea.
I know I get a little nervous in front of people, though.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, you can do anything. You can make a talent just about anything. You can make up a song about a marker or about a banana or something like.
Hold on, banana.
Okay. What do you want me to do about the banana? Tell a banana joke? That might be appealing.
Oh, come on, it's not that funny.
Okay, what would you rather do?
How about banana ooh na na? Half of my heart wants a banana ooh na na.
You could give it to your grandma, ooh na na.
Yeah, half of my heart wants a banana. I'm gonna eat the banana ooh na na.
There you go. You can talk just about anything and make it kind of silly.
I don't think I really want that, though. But anyway, I want to talk about how I don't have the Rona.
What do you mean how you don't have the Rona? That's not something you do for a talent show.
Of course it is. It's a core word.
What? Corona is a core word?
Yep.
No, it isn't. Core words are like help or not or like or want. It's the things that are here, like on our core board and stuff.
Nah, I'm pretty sure I saw it on there. It has to do with everything.
What? You really want more Corona?
No! It sure is something that's a different type of thing. It's not the same as other viruses. And I definitely don't want all of it. I'd rather get a vaccine and just get some of it. And then I'll have an immunity.
Oh boy, you really have turned this into a whole different type of sideshow here. Why don't we go back to the banana?
Nah, I'm good. It's not appealing to me anymore.
Okay, I guess we're not going to talk about that. All right, but that's what you can do for a talent show is just play. Play in front of the camera.
Yeah, be weird, be dorky. You're really good at it.
Thank you. Sometimes I try, and it just comes out that way. Anyway, have a wonderful night, and we'll see you later.